Hi folks, welcome to Chef Boyardee's cooking show. This is our new assistant, Kristina. Today, who is our second sous chef.
And
what
am I to you?
What are you?
His sister.
My sister, yeah. Okay, today we're gonna teach you how to make a pierogi casserole dish.
Who doesn't like pierogies?
That sounds yummy.
First we add the mashed potatoes in, then the noodles, and then the sauteed onions. Mix it all together, then add American cheese on, and then add that on top. Cheddar. Add cheddar on top, and then the orange slices of cheese.
Awesome.
Which is called cheddar too.
Very good.
Alrighty, let's get started.
Alright.
You mind handing me the mashed potatoes?
I do not mind.
Sous chef?
Just looking to see if we got it. There we go. This would be good to do.
Alrighty.
These are nice and hot. And
we got there.
what kind of mashed potatoes did you use?
Use home style mashed potatoes. Which is Nature's Promise.
Nope, that one's Giant brand.
Giant brand.
Yeah. You can feel free to use your own homemade mashed potatoes, right?
Yep, and then
But this is just for a quick thing.
Nature's Promise, free from gluten-free phosphil noodles. Facility noodles. Alrighty.
Those Italian words really trip you up.
And yet he's Italian.
And then sharp cheddar. Okay. Ready? Here we are. Do this. Oh.
I don't think you used all of them. Or maybe you did. Okay. Good job. I will take that from you.
And then add. What?
Don't you need to? Shouldn't you spread it around? Make a nice layer. There you go.
Okay. Alright.
So you're flattening out
the mashed potatoes.
Nice.
Would
Now
you-
what you do?
Would you please hand me like a plate, little plate?
Oh, yes, absolutely, chef.
Thank you, sous chef. Then the noodles. Allotted or just that?
That looks good.
Okay,
Think that's enough?
think so.
I do, and
You want to mix them together?
Yep.
well, not mix it together, right? You
Well,
do want to mix it together.
Need
Okay. I
the sauteed
thought you wanted.
onions too.
All right. So.
We need the sauteed onions.
Alright. I'm going to put this here. It's hot. There we go. So go ahead.
Thank you.
These are the nice sauteed onions, right?
Yep.
That you
Good.
sauteed earlier.
I'm gonna do it right here. How many should I put in?
Oh, I would definitely use all of the onions and all of the butter.
To give it a nice flavor.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Now we mix it. Thank you, Kristina. Mix it all around together using this. And cheese. I'm gonna do it right in front of, or right behind here. Right? How many, sous chef?
I would make a full layer of American cheese.
All right. Yes, 6 of them.
We brought this recently to a picnic and it was a hit. So we really like this dish.
Next. Oh. All right. Do it like this or like that.
Make another layer.
However you want to do.
All right then. Guess I'm gonna go with like this
Just fill the space.
and like that. It's like making a brick house or a puzzle. Okay,
We probably need to spread it out a little bit.
spread it out more.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
Sure.
So that you have cheese in every bite.
That works.
Mm-hmm. Maybe put this one there.
Ah,
And for that extra cheesy flavor,
we start
That's a lot of cheese.
adding the sharp
that's
cheddar.
what it's
Dump the whole thing on. I guess I'll take that as a yes. What do you think?
And then you can spread it out.
That looks good.
I will take that.
Thank you.
Welcome.
How's that look?
That's looking pretty good.
Might need.
Just gonna spread it out so you have cheese everywhere.
Yep.
It'll all bake into it. It looks pretty good.
All
It
right.
looks yummy. I want some.
Then we pop it into the. Oh, put tin foil.
Yep. You need to cover that with tin foil. Would you like me to do that, Chef?
Yes, you may.
All right.
Chef. I mean, good chef. I'll get the
Nicely wrap this.
oven door open.
How long do we pop this in the oven for?
For 20 minutes. Which, bottom or top?
At what temperature, Ryan?
At what temperature?
For, oh no, 330, 350? Okay,
At 350 degrees.
350 degrees. Should I put it on bottom or top? Alrighty.
Good, and go ahead and set your timer for 20 minutes.
Yes, sous chef. Right?
And what do you say?
Well, wait for 20 minutes.
So we'll see you back in 20 minutes?
We'll see you back in 20 minutes. Hi guys, we're back. Let's see how well the pierogi casserole turned out.
All right. I'm excited to try this. Excited to try this?
I am. It looks really good.
Would you please get out a plate?
I shall. And I will get out a couple of forks for all of us to try.
Alright, first open this up.
Ooh.
I think you could probably just strain it out this way.
Yummy.
Voila!
All right.
It turned out amazing.
That looks pretty cheesy.
Bubbles are a nice touch.
Why don't you give it a try, Kristina?
You want me to go first?
Well, you want me to dish it out?
Yes.
All right, we will dish this out. Check this out. This is like pierogi heaven,
I'm
guys.
probably gonna burn my mouth.
Yep.
Look at that. Look at that cheese coming off of it. That's awesome. All right. Who doesn't like cheese, mashed potatoes, pasta, and sauteed onions?
Your cholesterol.
No. My cholesterol's great. And actually I ate a very high fat diet, so I just had it checked and my doctor said my cholesterol looked fantastic.
Go
So
ahead.
alrighty.
There,
It's the
Kristina.
sugar you have to avoid. There you go.
Show them what
Oh,
it tastes
mother.
like.
You gonna try this?
I'm afraid to burn my mouth.
Well, I'll blow on it. Oops.
I want like a little piece of pasta.
I think I might too.
Oh my goodness. Mmm. That is amazing. That is amazing. If you want a quick dish that
That is really,
your friends
really
are
good.
absolutely gonna love.
Mmm.
That is so good. What do you think, bud?
Tastes so delicious.
Seriously. Seriously, this has to be tried by everybody.
Yeah, I gotta eat all of that.
Yep. Well, that's all, folks. See you next time on Chef Boyardee's Cooking Show.
Bye.